In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your payment method was declined. Update it or add a new payment method and try again. A declined payment can be frustrating, but it usually has a straightforward cause. Most of the time it comes down to an expired card, incorrect billing information, insufficient funds, or a temporary block from your bank. We will walk through how to verify your card details. Try a different payment method if needed, and contact your bank to authorize the transaction when that's the holdup. Start by checking your details on your iPhone. Open the Settings app. At the very top, tap your name to access your account settings. Next, choose Payment and Shipping. This is where your current payment methods live and where you can make quick fixes that often resolve the error instantly. Select your card and update the expiration date if it's out of date. And make sure the billing address matches exactly what your bank has on file, including apartment numbers, postal codes, and abbreviations. Small typos like a missing digit in the postal code or an old street address are common reasons for declines. While you are there, scan the card number and security code for accuracy. If you recently received a replacement card, remember that the expiration date and security code may have changed even if the card number looks the same. If the card is expired, repeatedly declined, or you prefer to use something else, tap Add Payment Method. Enter the new card's details carefully, then save. After the new card is added successfully, remove the old declined card so it doesn't keep trying to process. This ensures future charges use the updated method right away. If you've verified everything and it's still not going through, your bank may be blocking the transaction for security reasons or because of spending limits or insufficient funds. Reach out to your bank and ask them to authorize the transaction. Let them know the amount and that you recognize the charge. They can lift a temporary block, confirm available funds, or adjust controls so the payment can proceed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.